Okay, the C.L.E.A.R Vision Framework. So, the C.L.E.A.R Vision Framework. C there stands for clarity. Your vision has to be clear, concise, vivid picture of the future. The L there stands for long-term focus. You don't create a vision for tomorrow. It's a vision, something at the horizon. And when we say tomorrow, it doesn't necessarily have, when we say long term, it's not like long time, not it doesn't have to be 50 years time for it to be a vision. It could be 1 year, maybe 6 months, but 6 months, no, let's say 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, whatever. But not something for tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so the E there stands for emotional engagement. A lot of us, we come up with vision that is very dull. It doesn't inspire action. It doesn't inspire you. No motivation. When you say your vision should be such that when you read it, you want to run. When you read it, your head wants to explode. That's what a vision is. A vision that spurs action. A vision that puts, that lights up your energy. Yeah. So then the A stands for alignment with values. We all have values. The best of vision are the vision that align with our values. No matter how much you try, if you are working towards something that is against your values, even if you achieve it, you'll be putting in 100 times the effort of what you are required. And that's the unfortunate reality of a lot of us. When we, burn out, stress, this, that, it's just terrible. Unfortunately, a lot of us are not even taking time to understand ourselves to the level of knowing what our values are. And that's one of the major things we do first when we have a coaching client. The R there stands for realism. The vision is ambiguous. A vision that is ambiguous, the vision is ambitious, yet achievable, aligned with your capacities and resources. Please, at this point, when we say capacity and resources, it does not necessarily mean the capacity you have right now. What it just means is that you can't take on Elon Musk in the next 6 months. It's not, is it possible? I don't know, except maybe your plot of land that you have in your village. Somehow, I don't know if you read in the news, was it Rwanda or where's that country? Congo, yes, Congo, that they discovered, they unearthed that second biggest diamond in the world. Even at that, let's say except if you find like 1 million of that, for you to say you want to unseat Elon Musk in the next 6 months. So there should be some level of realism, but don't let this factor now cage you into over-realism in quotes. Okay. Now, V, clear vision. V for vividness. Your vision should be so vivid. There's clarity, there's vivid. Vivid means that you need to have pictures for your vision. Like I tell my clients, when you have the pictures, put them in a flash drive in your head. Put them in a CD in your head. Such that when you, okay, yes, please, if you have the number, please help me post it. Yeah, thank you. So your vision should be so vivid that when you close your eyes, you can see it, you can touch it. It's there, it's real, it's a level below tangible, almost tangible. It's just a level below it. That's a level of vividness that you must have for your vision if you want it to be a breakthrough vision. Then inspiration, like I mentioned that earlier, the vision motivates, excites you, drives passion and commitment. Specificity, I want to become the biggest. That's not it. It should be measurable. Something that when you get there, you should be able to say, did I get there? Yes, I'm there. How do you know you are there? It should be a reason. You should be able to explain. How do you know you are there? Not just open-ended. And then integrity is a very important one. There needs to be consistency, internal coherence. Various components of your vision have to be logically aligned. This is one of the biggest problems we have, especially the smart ones amongst us. Or you, the ethicals, you have vision, yes, but your vision it's not coherent. It's not coherent. The problem with an incoherent vision is that you are telling your arrow to be moving. Oh yeah, move 5 kilometers forward, and then 2 kilometers to the right, and then 3 kilometers to the left, and then just like an example I gave earlier. You are telling, okay, move. You have incoherent vision such that achieving different things requires you to take action in the one direction, and then as you're working on the other direction, you are canceling the action of the first one to work on the second one, and then before you know it, you're just doing motion, no movement, motion, no movement, motion, no movement. So there needs to be integrity, internal coherence in your vision. Because remember, when you say vision, usually it's not just one thing. You have that main vision, and then you have your sub leading to the main one. All of those, your sub has to align. And then if you're opportunity season, your vision is not cast on stone. It changes. When we see more, we know more. When we know more, we perceive more. We aspire more. So the vision is adaptable, allowing for adjustments and new opportunities. And then finally, the end there is nurturing growth. Whatever vision you have that is based on the version of you for today, then you are failed. Let me take that again. Whatever vision you have, that with your current skill set, your current knowledge, your current capability, maybe your current degree, or maybe your current certification, your current you now, you can achieve it. Then that's not vision. That vision must incorporate. That's why the how do I say it? That is why the people who aspire well, they get to be at the top. Why? They form a vision that makes them mad. And that energy from that vision is, rather than that energy crippling them from taking action, that energy forms the fuel for them to become the version of themselves that can get that vision done. There's so much to say about this, but we're out of time.